Here it is, brand new coil pack from O'Reilly's. That's what we're gonna be doing. And to test these out, it's a cool little trick. So what you do is just simply, when the car's running, take these out. Oh, can't even do it now. Take it out like that, and if the car starts kind of like shaking, or the RPMs, you know, kind of fluctuate, then you know that it just lost spark there. All right, guys, so I am going to show you guys now. We're going to disconnect this one. So there. It didn't make a difference, so let's go ahead and connect it again. Now, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect cylinder 5, I think. But they do come up. There you go. You hear that? There you go. See that? Okay, guys, so confirmation there that the coil pack number 6 is bad, and we are going to go and get it really quick. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to O'Reilly's and we are going to get that coil pack. Hopefully that'll solve that issue on the car. Find out right now. Showed the signs, and we got to test it out, and so far that is the conclusion. So let's go ahead and go to O'Reilly's. Here we go to O'Reilly's. Hopefully I find hopefully they have the coil pack in stock. So that's another thing. Okay, guys, as you can see, we got some we got the coil pack, the Rain X, because it says windshield washer fluid low. So we're gonna go ahead and change that. I mean, pour some in there as well, so we can get that light to go away. Let's check this out. Here it is, brand new coil pack from O'Reilly's. And we get the screws, and we're just gonna go ahead and leave these screws. We're gonna just go ahead and swap them out, basically. All right, guys, so we have here this one to compare to the OEM one. This one's the original. This one's the O'Reilly one. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in there. Let's go ahead and put some dielectric grease, all the coil packs, because this just looks weird. And anyways, it is recommended to buy all the coil packs that at the same time, it's just a lot better. So, but for right now, we're just gonna do this. I just kind of want to see if this is gonna take away that issue with the engine, and then just go ahead and hand tighten. Once we're done, secure this connector to here, and we should be good to go. So we are going to fire it up and see what it does. All right, guys, so here comes a moment of truth. Let's fire it right up. Right off the bat, I can feel the difference already. It's actually not shaking uncontrollably, and even with the AC on, now it doesn't shake like it used to. So that is awesome. That's good news. It's just kind of a little bit of a tremble, but we'll see what's up with it, what exactly is up with it. So the car definitely does feel a lot better. I think I had a code also for the O2 sensor, but we'll find out about that as well in another video. But for now, we did our job. We put the coil pack, the coil ignition pack, and replaced it. So now the car doesn't feel that bad. So now let's just go ahead and drive it back and forth here. So now we're going, and everything seems okay. Seems pretty good. Yep, definitely a lot better. So thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I know this is a short video, but if you liked it, like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a good one. Tighten these. Oh no, I knew I was gonna do that.